Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin support levels that you want to watch. The Bitcoin bulls must step in and protect it. Man, this video is going to be a little bearish now till we see some bullishness, okay? Smash the like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. First of all, look, you want to pay attention. Bitcoin weekly candle, okay, is forming. Look on the weekly close in 5 hours. At the moment, it's look horrendous. It's look very, very bearish, man. You had a hanging man, and now they're pulling the rug, man. They're pulling the rug. This candle, you had a hanging man before that, and then that was looking like a hammer. We all thought it's gonna moon. We all thought it's gonna moon. And then they pulled the rug. They pulled the rug probably on the conference. There was too many people bullish on crypto there. Too many bullish news, and they pulled the rug. They pulled the rug. If you know trading, remember the saying: market tops on bullish news and bottoms on bearish news. Okay, so we might be in a little top here, or a major top. Okay, you have this bearish reversal pattern here on the weekly candles. You can see this 1, 2, 3 bearish. It's rolling over, and they're pulling the rug. Now let's look on the stochastic, and then we're gonna look on some support. Let's look on support and resistance, and then we're gonna look on stochastic. Okay, so first of all, look, major support here, major support here. Bitcoin bulls must step in and protect the 53,600-ish. Okay, where we had the low. You lose this low, you're going to make a new low. Okay, that's bearish. Okay, we're now in a downtrend, man. We're now in the downtrend. Really, I thought we're going sideways. I thought, but again, now with this candle forming, you want to be open for a potential dump and a downtrend. Okay, so you can see here, that was your high, that was your low, lower high, lower low. This is the weekly chart. Okay, it's been making lower high and lower low, and then you had, and now we're making another lower high. Okay, so you had 3 lower highs in the last 5 months, okay, since March. Okay, so if Bitcoin bulls will not step in and reverse, make a higher high, Bitcoin is going down. Okay, Bitcoin is going down. Now look, stochastic, you're probably gonna roll over. Tomorrow we're gonna print this candle, this signal, and we're gonna see you're probably gonna get a cross down. Now, very, very bearish picture is the monthly. The monthly is the monthly rolled over. The monthly rolled over. When the monthly is rolling over, you get major correction in Bitcoin. Okay, this cycle you had no rolling over for the stochastic on the monthly, like that one. And you can see you had in 2019 one, we went bearish all the way to the COVID collapse. Then here at the top, we had a rollover. Boom, you had a 50% crash in 2021 April, and then in the end of 2021, you went bear market. You just continued bear market. You had a little bounce. But then that was your top on the stochastic RSI. So anyway, man, be careful out there. You never know. You never know. I'm not going to call cycle tops or stuff. But again, you never know what's coming. Okay, make sure, man, if you trade in crypto, if you invest in crypto, if you see Bitcoin making a new low, maybe it's time to take some profits. Maybe it's time to take some profits on your leading position. Because, man, crypto can erase all your profits in one weekly candle. Okay? Now, let's look at the support and resistance. Okay, so more on the daily chart. By the way, an update. We broke below the 200, and let's see if we're going to close this week, this daily candle below the 200. This is the 200-day MA, the green line, and the 50 is the red line. If you're going to stay below it, you're going to get a death cross. Okay, a death cross, man, this is bad. Okay, the death cross are usually very, very bad. Okay, so support and resistance. First one, we have 53K. Okay, then you have this little pivot here, 50K. You lose 50K, you probably you have the 48. 48, around the 48, man, is a very, very important support and resistance. It was the top here in April, and it was the head and shoulders, let's remove the MA, the head and shoulders neckline back in the in the last bull. Okay, you lose that, again, you lose that, you have 44, and then you have 39, pretty much, we're talking zones, man. You lose 39, you go to the 30s, to the 31s. Okay, but again, we don't want to scare people. We're just saying, man, be careful out there. Be careful out there. Consider taking profits. Again, you don't have to. Again, we're not telling you what to do with your money. But if you see, for example, a bounce into next week, and then a rejection and it's rolling over, it's putting in, let's say, another lower high, in like a week or two, and it's rolling over, man, take profits. Take profits. Because that's the definition of a downtrend. Series of lower lows and lower high, lower lows and lower high. Once you lose this level, you know, you can get a smack in the face, a big dump, capitulation style event again. So, told you what should happen. You want to see the Bitcoin bulls stepping in and bouncing. You want to see the Bitcoin bounce? Man, it can bounce today. You know, it can bounce into next week. We keep an open eye. But again, want to watch a reversal. A reversal will be confirmed once we clear 70K and close in above 70K. Then you will have a reversal confirmed. Till that happen, you just lost the 200-day MA. If you bounce and get rejected at it, that's bearish. Okay, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment. What do you think is going to happen into Bitcoin and crypto? What do you think is going to happen? Do you think we're going to see lower lows? Do you think we're going to lose 53 next week? What do you think? What do you think about the weekly candles forming? Do you think it's bullish? It's bearish? I want to know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Cheers.